The car was without a doubt the dominant vehicle of the 20th century. Pollution, congestion, traffic, and bold leadership have started to give way to green public transport and sustainable mobility in the 21st century. But social distancing and health risks threaten to re-drive mass car use. How can we rebuild trust in public transport? How can we make it safe and efficient for everyone? Can the post-COVID city be the definitive push for bikes and to recover public space for the people? How can carpooling promote intermodality and sustainable mobility?